That's it? That's hot.
Say morning to the faves.
Good morning.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yes, Dad.
I wanted to show them what I did inside.
Inside where?
Here.
What you did?
I want to show you
What? And I'm asking you what you did.
I eat over there my breakfast.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I know. And also, I sleep over there with you, but I sleep in this room with her.
Yeah, you guys, it's the day after Elaine's wedding, and I am tired. I'm exhausted. When I get back home, I will be resting non-stop. But to say the least, I think this vacation has been one of the best vacations we've had. Just meeting all of you guys, spending time with all my friends, and just seeing Elaine walking down the aisle. I bawled my eyes out on that day. I got through my speech fine though. To say the least, we are up. We are heading back to Kingston today because we fly tomorrow, and yeah, that's what's just up right now. I'm actually waiting for Chanel to wake up. She's the driver, so she's trying to get as much rest before we hit the road. So yeah, we are here just waiting on Shan. We all packed and stuff. Let me show you guys my stuff. You guys know I'm an early bird, so we're all packed and ready to head to Kingston. So we're just here relaxing.
This is Kingston, Mom.
No, it's not. Wait, say morning to the face.
Good morning.
Where is Sarah? But Jesus, she's rolling.
She's rolling now. You put her in the back. She don't want to stay in the
Say
back.
good morning to the face.
Don't want to stay in the back.
Go around there. She's on the move. Good morning, big girl. Say morning to the face. Say morning to the face. You say morning to the face. Say morning, fatty. Alright, you guys. So that's the fam bam.
So sometimes she put herself in her stomach. Oh, she's still in the back. Tout à l'heure, tu vas pas tirer son épaule.
Good morning, Sarah. Good morning. Want a hug?
Oh. Sorry, what to do with your brother? Oh. She's catching your face. Watch. No, don't touch it until Papa comes. You guys, we are on our way from Ochares and made a quick stop. Sarah is sleeping. She was crying non-stop. Actually stopped at my sister and dropped off the phone just now and stayed a bit. But I couldn't stay any longer because we are so hungry. We haven't ate anything all morning and it's after 1 p.m. And Tyler is hungry. Sarah was crying, so I just left. And we're at the patty place. We're at Tasties on the Boulevard getting patty right now. And I haven't had any tea this morning, so I'm also getting a coffee. Are you excited for patty? Tell I want his patty so bad. And Babe and Chanel is up there, so in Tasty on the boulevard getting patties. Patty. Yes. In eat it.
Mama, you don't put it back. No, Tyler.
Hold it.
Yeah, but the bag is hot. You can't keep it.
Thank you.
That's my tea.
Not now.
This one is
What you buy? What that?
Barbecue fry.
Oh, rice and peas? Oh, good.
I have some of this sauce.
You should have buy that for dinner.
My mistake is not there.
True. How much for it?
I said $250.
I'm going to ask Tony fish.
For later?
Open up for.
Okay, so we can go down and eat.
Yeah, we can go down and eat.
Can go eat.
We are last time. Oh, cut it up. You like.
The fish good.
You know you love this food too.
Just like one last time. Fish.
That's the wanga belly them.
Mama.
Wanga bellies. Patty heaven. How is it, babe? Cheese patty? What you having? Beef patty? You don't like cheese patty? Why? Have you done the cheese much? Break out the face? Yeah, miss your body. That's it?
That's hot. The thing what I do when I eat hot patty. We don't blow.
People eat cold patty.
We don't blow.
No, so we don't.
That's not hot.
No?
You fire the French. You see, I'm going to whistle the French fries.
You guys, we are in Tasty on the boulevard eating, and a subscriber just drove past through drive-thru and spot us. I don't know how she spot us inside, but she stopped at the mirror and say she watch us and she love us. If you are watching this vlog, comment down below, let me show you some love, and thanks for saying hello. Appreciate all the love. It's really nice when they're just walking in the street and they spot you, right? It's so cool. You know, last year, the year before when we were here, we were just young doing YouTube. A girl saw me at my cousin's workplace. She was so happy. She said, I know you, but I don't want to be on camera. What you got? He's so cute. So hey girl, thanks for saying hello, and comment down below. Let me know exactly who you are. Kala enjoying this party. Enjoying your party? Yes? Baby on the second one?
Yeah.
Chanel only one you buy?
Two, but I'm taking the next one for Justin.
And Chanel buy food. You guys, this is the new Fontana pharmacy that they built in, which area is this? Half a Tree, Barbican?
Waterloo Road.
Waterloo Road, and we're going in there now to discover what it looks like, because I heard in there looks good. So this is Fontana Pharmacy on Waterloo Road. If you guys want to visit, that's where we're heading.
But we're already there.
Yeah, we're going inside. See what it looks like in there. I heard it's very pretty inside. Fontana Pharmacy. Starbucks sign over there. Huh?
It looks like
Oh, the pharmacy is here. Oh, this is Starbucks. Okay, Starbucks is there. Fontana Pharmacy here. Wow, escalator and all those things. Wow. L'Oreal. Wow. L'Oreal Paris. You feel like me there Paris? No, true. The makeup section, that's how it look back home.
Yes, that's how it looks
All
in
of
the
this
States.
setup, that's how it look back home.
You go in and you see everything.
Look.
Everything you can think of.
That's how it look back home. All this setup. Look. And they have all the brands too. They have all the brands. But they have CoverGirl over there, Maybelline, Milani, Wet n Wild, Revlon, L'Oreal. Okay. You can use dishwasher.
The charcoal acne clear cleanser. I've never find something like here what in your son.
Hold on. What's the skin here too? Oh, it's masks. These are masks.
See there? I'm gonna use this too.
Okay.
Strip fry.
I've never used
You
those.
don't get the charcoal and the like a mask.
I've never done masks. And they have
So if they have it,
lotion and
purchase it.
deodorant, skincare, healing ointment, pure clay mask. So big, they have everything. Hair products, you name it, they have it. Hair gels, hair cream, scrub. Oh, oh, it's a body and bikini kit. Interesting, never seen that. But sorry, stick to near. Ensure galore. Nutra is the cure, yes. And then have juice section. See them there? Wine and liquor. Who are you? What's your name? How old are you? Where's your parents?
It's you.
Me? I don't know you. You're Tyler?
Yeah.
in a mental hospital.
Mama,
You done must come in some SHIT. Yes, Ty?
you know what I want for
Yeah.
They will have to give me an answer.
Huh?
You know what I want for Christmas?
What?
I want like Lego Star Wars.
You want Lego Star Wars?
Yes.
Mama wants Super
A
Jen.
big ambulance and a big police car and a big
You want Super Jen? You don't like Super Jen.
Jen?
Mm-hmm. And they
I
have
want
bread.
to buy Sophie Jen.
No. See, you want one? Take up one more. Take up one more, honey, please. They have sausage, corned beef. They have green tea.
Sophie Jen.
This pharmacy have everything.
Mama likes
What's that? Kendall ginger? Yeah, you can pick up one pack. Instant.
You want some?
Yes, instant. Shh.
With sugar and sweet.
With sugar. Where is it?
This one is sugar. That you
Oh
want?
my gosh.
Yes.
Mama,
Yes,
look,
Skylar.
look.
Yes, I see it. Cheese.
Yes.
No. Why don't they have bun? You see bun?
Cheese.
Bun.
Cheese.
If me see the bun, we take up the cheese, but if not see no bun. Oh, it's just this bun they have and not that bun I want.
This spice bun there.
Yes, take it up. Tyler, go and pick up one of the cheese down there, please. Or me use the cheese in the fridge at home.
See the one that I had show you, Mama?
Go pick up one of those cheese, carry come.
Cheese.
Mama?
Yes, please. Yeah. You find it? This brush scrub.
That one is very tasty.
The background.
That one is
He wants one more.
When Melissa you catch here.
Yeah. She's so pretty.
Yes.
She has pretty eyes.
Well, just look. So you can step off.
Hey. Customer service. Oh, there's an optical place up here. Imperial Optical Jamaica. There's a technology section over there. No, yes. Wow. They have Jamaican products here.
These are authentic.
Wow, I love this.
Oh my God.
Beautiful.
I want to buy the flag of Jamaica.
No, not today. And Christmas things.
It's so pretty. I want to take a picture here.
You wanna take a picture here? Okay.
I know where.
And they have lamps, they have kitchen things. Oh, one bag of things. Wow, I love this. Denick! Look at my girl.
Who's that?
Denick. You remember the artist I'm always listening to?
They didn't want one.
You
One
remember-
bag of things.
You remember when we used to get
5,000 for one little bag, paper bag, cloth bag.
she
Nobody
took too
not go
fast.
buy them
She
there.
took too fast.
$1,000 or something.
Yeah.
Yes,
You remember when we
Dad.
used to go get
You want a picture?
Jamaica dress code.
Sarah? No. Oh, look at that little cute one. But think about it. Me can't buy this for her now because with summertime in France finish. She won't get to wear it until she turn 1. Yes, Ty. Oh, but that would have fit her when she turned 1. Yes. How much fit Sean? Oh, God. Yes, that would have fit her when she turned 1.
You're spending just for what, Mama?
We're just looking, Ty. We're just looking.
somebody who
Yes, Sean got me one of these bags.
So what do we all buy?
You're too loud.
Was it in here?
it wasn't that style, it was more
It was that color, but not that time. And there is huge. If them was smaller, I'd buy one for Sarah. Household items over here. Toys and back to school things. Wow, Tyler, look up here. Ty, look there.
January.
The- You're gonna
behind you?
Paw Patrol puzzle. Yes.
This is the toy section to
Tyler that killed that in a no time. He would have fit that up. He would have fit that up in a 2 seconds.
That's a floor one.
No. Tyler loves puzzles.
I want to buy something for my birthday.
It's not your birthday yet, baby.
I want to buy something for my birthday.
What did I say?
Like the snake in the skin.
In one? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
You saw kids? Where? Yes! Guess who is Stella's favorite game?
To buy that for Justin, please.
But Justin, you have it already?
Him have it in French, but him know to play it.
Guess who that's? Oh, I believe there was a monopoly.
Not true, because he would have time to play, but he wouldn't have time to play. This is a game that I want to buy online. Sha, how much feet? If me wish me not go there, me would have played this.
Oh my god, you try to sneak out.
Yes, when you have this in your mouth, up to 4 to 10 people can play.
Because you're leaving tomorrow.
You want time. Come here, we are get carried away in this story. Come. Come, I see Jenga there. There's a candy and ice cream store here. Interesting. Let me go see what in here look like. Wow. Life is sweet. Eat candy, be happy. Look at these two. The last night, hurrah.
Yes.
Get him tight. Touchdown.
Go back to rest.
Tie careful your head. Wrestle again, let me see. Wrestle him, Tyler, wrestling.
Okay, watch out for the mouth. The rest of Justin.
Tie! Take time! Tie! No! Ooh! Tie! Tie! Careful! Why?
Alright. Okay, careful. Watch out for that table.
Too close to the table, back up. Guys, can you guys see how tired I am?
I just put that time.
Man, it's the last day here in Jamaica, the last night, and we just finished eating some jerk chicken and escalage fish, and I'm here drinking a suppagen. Can't come to Jamaica and don't drink suppagen. So I'm having a suppagen, and I'm actually waiting on the last set of laundry to finish drying to start packing our suitcases, because the journey home starts tomorrow and end the next day after that, because we have a long flight and some stopovers before we reached our final destination. I'm so looking forward to reaching home. This vacation has been fun, but all good things must come to an end, and so we are slowly pulling the curtains on this vacation. I have no regret. I enjoyed every minute of it, and I can't wait to show you guys all the pictures and the footages from my girl's wedding. That should be a very fun vlog. You guys gonna see us crying and laughing and dancing and having the most amazing time ever. Anyway, you guys, I am ending today's vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam. Catch up and keep up with us, and you'll see us in tomorrow's vlog, which should be us flying back home from Jamaica to France. And here goes the husband and the girl. Last night in JA. Babe's holding it down while I get some work done.
Can you believe this?
I'm not looking.
Almost 8 p.m. and we...
Is that 8? Oh my gosh. And I'm tired, and I don't start packing. It. And Tyler is here. Tyler said he's sleeping over in Justin's room tonight, so they're gonna have a last night of horror. Anyway, guys, see you guys tomorrow. Tyler, say bye to the faves. Bye. Justin, say bye.
Bye.